I made a video about XYO on December 9th. This is one of my favorite DPIN projects going into 2025. At that point, we're at one of these highs, and I was talking about weakness. Now we finally got a nice little bit of a retracement. We've held within the epic golden pocket, and price is looking very strong to continue its move uptrend. And you can see that volume is also inflowing. In terms of the MACD and the CCI, there's plenty of room to go up as well. Now, at the current moment, XYO is ranked 261st on CoinGecko, sitting at 2 cents, a $295 million market cap. So if it did a 10x and everything stayed relative, that would be a $2.9 billion market cap, which is relatively easy to achieve, especially if the market continues to go up and goes into a parabolic state. Right now, it takes over $1 billion to be in the top 100. So let's say if total market cap for the crypto space doubles, then it could take $2 to $4 billion to be a top 100 project. So if XYO decided it wanted to hit that top 100, it would be achievable and realistic for it to hit that $2 to $4 billion market cap. Now, if you zoom out on the daily, we're also holding a major SR flip, or a support and resistance flip. This is going to be the range high from 2024, range high from 2022, and then a major SR flip that technically broke us into the true bear run. Now, when you're talking about stacking confluences, there's nothing better than finding an epic golden pocket retracement on an SR flip. And then if you see where this take profit 3 is playing out, it's basically right at that all-time high test, just a little bit north of the all-time high test from 2021, which is sitting at about 8 cents. So from current price, if this wanted to test all-time high, you're looking at about a 4x move. If this wanted to break out past that, you're going to price discovery mode. That 3x move would put you give or take at about a $1.2 billion market cap if the current supply and everything stayed the same, which it should because it's finite and deflationary and the total supply is already released into the market. So overall, from a trading perspective, this does look like a really good option moving forward. Now, mind you, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the XYO team in any way, and I'm not currently invested in XYO at the making of this video. If you want to come trade with me, or you want to check out the Epic trading floor, there are about 6 spots left until price goes up. You also get access to a free trial for 72 hours, so you can try everything on the website and the mobile app for free. And if you don't like it after 70 hours, you can cancel and someone else will fill that spot, and I won't take it personally. But all in all, as far as DPIN projects go and Internet of Things projects go, I do think XYO is going to be one of the bigger players. Now, you're also not going to be the top player at the moment. You can see the market cap for the biggest one is going to be at about 4 billion. And the second one is going to be about 2.8 billion, which is also why I was saying that market cap range is relative and realistic, because it's already achievable by projects in the DPIN and IoT things space without it even having an impulse move in market cap or even seeing a true altcoin season or bull run or anything like that. So if it's already achievable now, I think it is definitely achievable if everything starts to go parabolic. So this is going to wrap up this video on XYO. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button or follow the button wherever you're watching this video. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one.